presentation come? Yeah? I don't see it. Do you? No? Here am I. Oh my God, here, go. Here, welcome. Welcome. I just want to echo Anne's welcome on behalf of all EHD families in Europe and worldwide, basically, for being here. It's so nice. I've really been looking forward to this for a long time, to be able to hug people again. That's been a long time. And it's so nice to be able to see you, and thank you for taking the time and effort to be here together with us all. I will just take us back to the last time we were able to be together like this. It's actually 4 years ago. It's 4 years ago since Jean-Marc welcomed us. It's been 4 years since we did HD on the Move, where we walked or ran or did whatever, physical activity, and we enjoyed each other's companies. And also 4 years since we were listening in to these different sessions and learned things. So it's been long 4 years in very many ways. And in particular, of course, the 2 last years has been tough on all of us. And I will never forget that late evening in March 2021, when the news broke that Roche was halting dosing of tominersen. It was really a shock, because I had been so hopeful. So this was a huge, huge disappointment. And I kind of felt a disbelief. Was this really happening? And then came the fear. What did this mean? And in social media and in my email box, people dropped messages about their despair, fear, and were asking questions. Is this the end for HD research and clinical trials? But for sure, you all demonstrated it was far from the end. The companies stepped back, had a closer look, and has come back with new learnings and understanding. So despite the setback, we are moving forward because you continued. And most importantly, the patients, the participants in the trial, a vast majority of them continued to turn up to their visits, donating their blood, giving their time and effort for the best of science and for all of us. And really, we owe them a huge, huge thank you. So, I think, and it's not just me thinking this, that the Huntington community is one of the strongest and best connected disease communities on this planet. And this hasn't happened by accident. It's like this because somebody really wanted it to be like that. And Marjorie Guthrie was really one of the first people from a family who had the courage to reach out to others, because she understood the potency in organizing and getting together, and the power that we have when we are together. And she did not only found the association in the United States where she lived, she traveled a lot, and she's encouraged and supported others to do the same. And in that way, she became really the mother also for the International Huntington Association. And others have followed in her spirit. And yesterday, my dear friend and colleague, Beate Schepper, stepped down from the board of the European Huntington Association. Bea, you can stand up, please. Because that woman's tireless effort and work and dedication is really remarkable. And you know, Bea, she stood up and really fought to be a collaborative association. She stretched out, she reached out to across borders, geographical borders. She reached out to professionals and understood that we have to work together. And she also reached out to other disease groups. It's remarkable what you have done, Bea. And now that you stepped down, we are more people who are ready to take on that path that you pointed out for us. So thank you so much, Bea. It's amazing. So I think, where am I now? It's really to understand that each one of us, the patients, the family members, the clinicians, the care workers, the researchers, the companies, all of us are equally important pieces in this clockwork to make it work efficiently and well. And we really need to take care of that we continue to value that collaborative spirit, because that will really speed up our capability to reach our common goal, which is to help HD patients and give them efficient treatment. So before we go to dig into the scientific and all these good sessions that you can look forward to later today, I hope you will join me in an exercise. It's easy, it's not so hard, it's early morning. And if you could stand up, please. Thank you. And here comes the exercise part, really. Sit down again. And get up again. Thank you. And get down again. And one more time. Get up again. And follow my hand, please. Because when you do this, when you sit down again, I don't have a chair. When you sit down again, and when you raise up again, continue, please, if you can do this. You can do this. We can do this. A little bit more. Remember, next time you experience really a hard time, tough time, disappointments, remember this moment, because we get back on our feet again, no matter how many times we are down. And last time now, I want you to raise up and really, wait, sit, and really raise your hands, and then you say hi, something like that. Because on 3, you raise. 1, 2, hey! This is what a winning team looks like. Enjoy the conference.